Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, our today's video is also going to be very interesting and very useful like our previous videos. So please watch the video till end, and the only request to you is to like, share and subscribe our channel to support me. So, uh, my dear students, we were studying actually characteristics of chemical reactions. So, last time we had studied state change in state, that some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. So, let's take a quick recapitulation of the work which we have done in our last video. So, my dear students, uh, uh, there are some chemical reactions uh, which are characterized by change in state. For example, when we light a candle, then actually wax in the form of fuel is burnt or consumed to form carbon dioxide and water vapors. So in this reaction actually what happens, that it is the wax which is fuel which is in a solid state, so that is consumed and or burned, and we get carbon dioxide which is gas and water vapors which are in liquid state. So actually in this reaction what happens, that solid state has changed into liquid state and gaseous state. So this is example of chemical reaction where change in state takes place. So based on, so this we had actually studied in our last video. Then we had also studied different types of chemical reactions. Actually we had written the names of various types of chemical reactions. So my dear students, that when actually chemical substances combine, so what happens, that there is rearrangement of the atoms of these substances to form new substances. So based on that rearrangement, we have actually 6 types of chemical reactions, that are combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions, and finally we had neutralization reactions. So we had done this work. So today I have a very simple question related to our previous topic. The question is that which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Once again, which of the following is not a chemical reaction? A is digestion of food, B is respiration, C is burning of candle wax on heating, and D is melting of candle wax on heating. So my dear students, this is question for you. This is a very simple question. So please note down the question, and I'm sure that you have notebook and pen with you to note down the important points discussed in the video. Now our today's topic is combination reactions. Now we will study these reactions one by one. So today we are taking first types of chemical reactions, that is combination reactions. Number 1 is combination reactions. Combination reactions. Now, my dear students, when we actually study the types of chemical reactions, the heading itself indicates about these chemical reactions. So, combination means to combine. So, in combination reactions, what happens? Two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Once again, in combination reactions, two or more substances combine to form a single substance. So that reactions are actually combination reactions. So let me write two or more substances or more substances combine to form a single substance. So these reactions are actually combination reactions. So let's do some examples of combination reactions. For example, magnesium plus oxygen is equal to magnesium oxide. Now my dear students, see this chemical reaction. Here we have two substances in reactant and one substance in product. So two substances in reactant and one substance in products. So this is example of combination reactions. Here is another combination reaction. Hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to water. Here also we have two substances in reactants and one substance in products. So this is also combination reaction. Then we have carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide. So my dear students, this is also a combination reaction. Two substances, that is carbon and oxygen in reactant sides, and one substance, that is carbon dioxide, in product side. So this is also an example of combination reaction. So how to combine, how to actually identify a combination reaction? So that is very, very simple. If we have two or more substances in reactant sides, then and one substance in product side, so that chemical reaction is actually combination reaction. So this is very simple, my dear students. Now let's actually consider a very important combination reaction. So that is of calcium oxide plus water is equal to calcium hydroxide. So my dear students, this reaction is very, very important reaction, very, very fundamental reaction of chemistry, and all students of 10th class of science must know this reaction. So my dear students, please, if you don't know this reaction, then please write this reaction 20 times, 30 times, and please learn this reaction. So here two substances in the reactant side and one substance in the product side. So this is combination reaction. And second thing is that heat is also actually produced in this reaction. So at the same time, now a chemical reaction in which heat is produced, you know very well, that is exothermic reaction. So this is combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. Now calcium oxide, this is calcium oxide, this is also known as quicklime, and this is calcium hydroxide, this is known as slaked lime, or this is also called lime water sometimes, or this is also calcium hydroxide. So now why this reaction is so important? Because now this is lime water. We use lime water, you know very well, to detect the presence of carbon dioxide gas. So we have studied that when calcium hydroxide is when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, then lime water turns milky. So how this lime water turns milky? What happens that time? So that we are going to study here. So when carbon dioxide gas is passed through calcium hydroxide, that means when carbon dioxide gas and calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, reacts, then we get actually calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate plus water. So we get white precipitates of calcium carbonate. So the white color of lime water is due to the formation of calcium precipitates of calcium carbonate. So why lime water turns milky? That is due to the formation of calcium carbonate in the form of precipitates. So this thing is very, very important, my dear students. These two reactions you learn by heart. You must know these two chemical reactions. And second use is to whitewash our walls of our houses. That when we actually whitewash the walls of our house, that time we also use actually this lime water or slaked lime. This is lime. Lime means lime, chuna, lime. So we use slaked lime. That is solution of quicklime in water. So this is painted actually on our walls. But when we paint this, we have calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide which is present in atmosphere. So that reacts with this slaked lime to form actually calcium carbonate. So the white shine on our walls is of calcium carbonate, not of calcium hydroxide actually. Calcium hydroxide is actually colorless solution. So the white shine which we see on our walls, so that is due to of calcium carbonate. So calcium hydroxide when reacts with carbon dioxide, it is actually changed into calcium carbonate. So my dear students, I hope that you understood these 2 points. So once again, let me tell you, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, so lime water turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. This I have told you. And the whitewash which we do on our walls, so we actually take a lime water solution. So lime water is actually painted on our walls. So lime water reacts with carbon dioxide gas to form calcium carbonate. So the white shine which we see on our walls is due to calcium carbonate. So this I wanted to make you clear. So my dear students, I think that what I have taught you today is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, if any point you have not understood, then please write in comment box. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So keep learning, keep watching our video, our channel, and keep growing. Thank you very much. Good luck.